Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been fortunate enough to acquire this beautiful Suzuki 1.2 Dualjet SZ5 SHVS Automatic, finished in silver metallic. It's done 9,500 miles. It's in beautiful condition. Really high specification with these cars. Very low mileage. Very desirable, being the auto and the highest spec. You're getting things like keyless entry, privacy glass at the rear, these unique diamond cut alloy wheels. Just a really nice vehicle. Parking sensors at the rear. Decent 60/40 split rear seat system with load area cover all in place. Hybrid, so it's got the integrated storage generator. Any power from deceleration, any kinetic energy is captured into that integrated storage generator, stored in a battery, and then that helps power some of the vehicle's electrical systems. It has huge environmental issues for the better, and tremendous fuel economy. That's why it is a hybrid and automatic. Beautiful condition car. Will come with 12 months Suzuki warranty, including 12 months roadside assistance. Looking inside here, unmarked interior, hardware in grey cloth, electric windows all round, electric door mirrors which are power folding also. It's a really high spec car this. Sitting inside the car, you've got the engine stop start button, lane departure warning system here, and a smart city brake support, traction control, parking sensor control. It's really such a beautifully spec'd vehicle, and very well made too. It's not all about the specification, it's about the way this is engineered. It's a really well engineered vehicle. Take you through some of the controls here. Just don't want the stereo to blast out. So straightforward instrumentation. In the center here you've got tachometer, rev counter with temperature gauge. Just in the center display you've got digital readout on the speedometer. You've got a speedo analog readout with fuel gauge. And here, I'm just going to turn on the lights, give us a better view of the interior controls on the multi-function steering wheel. You've got stereo controls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, and just beneath that, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. And over here on the right, you've got an intelligent radar cruise control system which senses traffic in front of you and slows the car down as appropriately. Wipers on the right hand side with variable speed on the intermittent and the rear wiper, all clumped together there in one stalk. Left hand side auto lights, and you've got paddle shift control for the automatic gearbox, plus and a minus, all illuminated. Nice attention to detail. They put the car into D, and if you use the paddle shifts, you get more of a involved experience driving the vehicle. Personally speaking, I just put the car into drive and drive it. It's such a beautifully driving car, this, in terms of road holding, in terms of handling, braking performance. It is terrific. Really, really good vehicle. So you've got your center display there. There is an info button here, which if I press this, it will change elements of the display. You can see average fuel economy 40.1 mpg. The range left in the tank is 29 miles. Try not to pay too much attention to the average fuel economy. That depends upon the circumstances by which the vehicle has been driven. You'll get more than that, easily more than that. Press it again, gives you a further display, MPG readout, driving time, idle stop time, various things here to do with the hybrid technology, which is clearly amplified there. You've got the engine, motor, battery, It's normally a 24-volt battery, and it helps power some of the vehicle's electrical systems. What I was talking about earlier, it's got this integrated storage generator. So very simple instrumentation, but very detailed, and what a good spec. So just to summarize this section: paddle shift on the automatic gearbox, auto lights, radar adaptive cruise control, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, stereo controls, and what we were alluding to earlier down there, engine stop start button, lane departure warning, smart city brake support, all the safety features you find, funnily enough, in a lot cars costing a lot more than this. Before I come to this, straightforward auto gearbox, park, reverse, neutral, drive, and M. M means that you can drive the vehicle up and down the gearbox. Very straightforward. Handbrake lever here. Just beneath the center climate control, you've got USB and aux plug-in. You've got 12-volt plug-in as well. Air conditioning is automatic climate control. Press autos. Dial in the temperature first you want. So let's say if we went it's roasting in here at the moment. Press automatic. It will direct the air and adjust the fan speeds automatically for you. Really good specification. AC's on, auto, reset button, or taking air from the outside in. Better take it from the outside in. Fan speeds here. You can of course operate this manually just by adjusting the fan speeds yourself and looking at the mode button, which changes the direction of to where the air is going. Very straightforward, but really nice little attention to detail here with this LED display. Again, another high spec feature of this vehicle: DAB digital audio, gives you crystal clear sound. It's all touch screen, this. FM 1, 2, AM, DAB. If you look at the cog button here, this is in each menu. Press this cog button, you can get the sound settings, which you can adjust bass, treble, balance, fader, equalizer preset, speed dependent volume control, which will adjust the sound to compensate for any road or engine noise. Back button here, and then home screen again, and then satellite navigation. Very straightforward. Press continue, plug in whatever address you want, and the map looks like this. And if, for example, you want to change any parameters of this sat nav, you press this button here, and you can go into various options again to personalize the specification of this vehicle. It's got integrated Bluetooth with voice control there. Again, press the cog button. Again, you can look at customizing that element of this very simple in-car entertainment module. Smartphone linkage: plug your phone in using the USB, you get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Press the cog button again, it says Android connection priority. It will take Apple CarPlay, no problem. But the advantage with smartphone technology, plugging it in using the USB into this particular unit, you will get some of your icons on screen, such as Spotify, WhatsApp. You will also get Waze navigation, which is just superb. The Suzuki navigation is marvelous. Waze navigation is again a really good app. I use Waze in my car using Apple CarPlay, and it's really good. So that's what I recommend. But a really comprehensive unit there. Everything can be controlled, most elements of it, using the mode and volume buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel. It's a really great spec. Automatic gearbox. It's a SHVS, so it's mild hybrid. Will come with 12 months Suzuki warranty, including roadside assistance. And the car has undergone a 101-point used car check, been serviced. The 101-point used car check encapsulates everything. We look at tyre tread depths, we look at brake pad wear, we look at brake disc wear, We look at all the vehicle's electrical systems, how everything works, wiper condition and so on. So you're safe in the knowledge that you're getting a really fully prepared, high specification vehicle, which is, you know, a superb automatic to drive. Wonderful, wonderful little cars these, and if you're considering a smaller automatic, this would be it. It's as good as buying new, 9,500 miles. At TW White & Sons, we take any vehicle in part exchange. We'll be as competitive as any of the online companies advertising on national television, if not more so. We want your part exchange or your current vehicle as much as they do. And the advantage with dealing with us, of course, is you're dealing with a one-stop shop. You can come along, part exchange your vehicle under one roof and buy another. If you want to find out more about this beautiful low mileage SZ5 Swift automatic hybrid, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhiteandsons.co.uk. Our showrooms are open 7 days a week. Thanks for watching.